Hi everyone, it's Oz Diecast here from Australia. Today we have the 2016 Hot Wheels Rad Truck Series Datsun 620. This set is an 8 model Walmart exclusive in the US, so we were pretty surprised to find this set in our local Big W. And we particularly like this series just for the art on the card. Take a look at that. All the trucks are doing some nice big smoky burnouts. Awesome. If only, right? So let's open it if we can have a closer look at that. Okay, so it is white with red and blue stripes. I've got some Japanese writing on the sides as well as the Hot Wheels symbol there, but the Japanese writing also says Hot Wheels. And the red stripes on the bonnet. Okay, it has a chrome plastic base. A black interior, tinted windows, and grey 5-spoke wheels. Okay, so thanks for watching. Stay tuned for the latest Oz Diecast reviews. Have a cool car day.